Hi, Ken from Metal-Medic here. Want to introduce you to our new Series 1 vacuum pull tower. Let me go through this with you and explain and show you some of the features and how it works. Okay, first of all, this is a huge unit, okay? This is not just for glue pulling. I mean, this will pull over 1,500 pounds. So it will do anything you want to glue pull. Plus you want stud pulling, minor, panel repair, maybe a substack pullover. I mean, it will do it. And it's easy to move around your shop, back and forth like that. And we'll show you here how we set it up. Well, first of all, you get it in position so you can roll around. You don't have to like tip it back and wiggle it in place. We've got these unique little caster wheels on here. Let me try to get it in the frame here. I need a camera person. Okay, you just flip these up. You can do them with your feet. And that sets your plate down. Okay, now this comes standard with an air generator. That's your base model. It comes with this nice air generator, 25 CFM air generator here. Or the next step up would be your battery powered vacuum pump, and you also get this. And then the third option is with an electric one, a plug-in, and your air generator. So first of all, let's go through some of the features here. You've got your pulley block that slides up and down like that, and you crank it down with both these things. And this works just kind of like your this old Chief EasyLiner used to have. You would get your level set where you want, run this up there, hook it on your car, and take the slack out of it, just like you did on the old frame machine. You would pull it forward and hook it there, okay? So now you've took the initial slack out of your wire rope there, and this has a unique feature. It has a foot rocker pedal switch, okay? So you're over here, you've hooked it up, and the other ones you got to come back here and crank like this, and you really have no idea what's going on. You have to go up there and look back and forth, okay? That's inefficient to me. So we come up with a better way. This foot rocker pedal, you can move it right over to the car, sit there and hold your chains, hold your hook, whatever you're doing till you get the tension you want. And now you got two hands to concentrate on your repair, and you can move it back and forth with your foot, just like a real frame machine, okay? And it has this foot here, which is an it's a stabilizer foot, and it keeps it from sliding forward. You have this nice little rubber cap comes off there, and that comes off because you can get an auxiliary vacuum plate to put on there. I don't know why you would need it. That would put you up around 2,000 pound pull. So anyways, let me get that back in there. And a lower pulley laying there. And that folds back up out of the way when you're not using it. Put it back down, run this thing in there. Okay. And like I said, the foot operator, I don't know if you can see this, it's going up, see? A little bit like that. Now it comes back down. Okay. And you've got two extra little eye hooks here on your pulley to run extra ratchets if you need to. And all the accessories fit this, or crossbar goes on there down in these openings, and it will go like this, and you have 4 more points you can pull off. So, because this is sturdy enough, it will take 5-6 ratchet straps. Okay, let's suck it down. I got the vacuum pump on here. And there's no need to step on this. Okay, you got a brand new pull tower. You don't need to be stepping all over it, because we use a natural rubber gasket that's ribbed, and it sits very, very low to the ground. You notice when this sucks down, you can't get anything underneath it. And that's what makes it more stable. If you got a gasket this big and you crunch it down halfway, you're not really on the floor, you're on this floppy little gasket. So we engineered it to be that way, fit almost flush down to the floor. And that gives you a really, really solid feeling. So what we're going to do here, you can tell when it sucks down by the sound of the pump, okay? So I'm going to reach over here, we're going to turn it on, and that just sucked it right down. Oh, you got to get the wheels out of the way. That wheel's still up, there we go. Oh, valve shut off, hang on. There, it just sucked down. Okay, now, it seems like a rock. I mean, it doesn't even wiggle back and forth. I mean, it's definitely not a pool noodle. And when you get that down, and you get your pull, and you just want to hold tension, you can come over here, shut this valve off, and shut your pump off. Now, that will stay there till infinity, okay? Because it has such a good seal on it. So, now we got it down sealed, nice and tight. Now you can do your work. So you want to pull it a little bit more, you might want to, flip it back on, open the valve, do a little more pulling, shut it down, shut it off, okay? So that's really, really efficient that way. So anyways, there's lots you can do with this machine. We got accessories that go up here, where you can do a light up pull on top of panels, top of quarter panels, fenders, stuff like that. So, and it runs on 2 Makita style batteries, and when you get the one with the pump, you will get 2 batteries and a charger that go with it. So, and with just the air generator, you get 1 battery, 1 charger. So, and adapters will fit on that if you want to change to other style batteries. So, anyways, that is the rundown on this thing. And we can also, we got this big D-ring back here. You could also chain that thing down if you wanted to, okay, if you needed to for some reason. But very versatile, and it starts out under $3,000. You compare that to other ones where you get a lot more to this, we think, than compared to some of the other ones that are out there, because we don't wholesale and we don't have other people make our stuff, so we can keep our prices, fairly reasonable and respectful. So, metalmate.com. Check out the Series 1 tower, and we also have a Series 2 tower that's portable, more for PDR guys. So, thanks you for listening. Thanks for watching. See ya.